Alright, it's the Digidash on the 94 Silverado. There's no videos, man, to connect this on your own. And wiring harness, man, this shit 92 through 94 is different than the other ones. So I kind of had to play it by ear, to make sure I got everything correct. Damn, I gotta charge my battery. But as you can see, I ran most of the wires on my own instead of connecting it to the harness. Um, you got any questions, just hit me up, man. Maybe I can help you hook your shit up. But I definitely would recommend this digital dash because at night it is bright as fuck and I love it. Alright, stay tuned. Doing some more shit to it. Digidash.